Bonjour YouTube, it's Trev here, Summit or Nothing. I'm in the garden. I've got another tent to test out. It's yet another nature hike. I can't get enough of them. I've had this one for a little while, stashed away. It's the Naturehike Tagar 2. Quite a decent size. Like many of the nature hikes, it comes with an extra additional floor covering just to help protect it. I'll end up keeping this mat inside here, so it's all in one package. No point carrying that around separately in that bag as well, so you lose a bit of weight. So first things first, Trev loves weighing tents. Let's weigh it. That's come out at 1.24 kilograms. That for a two-man tent is a great weight, so it's decent. Let's have a look. So we got the floor mat. There's no hoops in this one, the metal rings, so you can stick your poles into. Nothing like that on these. Might be slightly different. And then in here we've got strapped together. We've got pegs, we've got poles. What have we got? We've got a tiny pole as such, and we've got a longer pole, and then we got trusted Naturehike pegs. I do love the Naturehike pegs, they are nice and lightweight. You look down the centre of them, they twist, they're Y but they spiral, and got the Naturehike logo on there too. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 of those, plus an extra guy rope in there as well, all in that nice lovely fetching green lime bag. So let's first things first, we get the mat out. If you are unsure how to put up a Naturehike tent, they always have the instructions and all the bits you're supposed to have on the inside of the bag. Position the tent with the door facing in the desired direction. Insert the body poles into the pole sleeves. So is it one door or two doors on this? Looks like it is a door either side. Hook him on the corner there. Him on the corner there. We can tweak it around if it's not quite tight enough, if it's too tight. Now the pole goes through the centre here, look. Centre here. So it goes through the sleeve and then we connect it into here as such. Insert the tip of the pole into its corresponding stake ring to erect the tent, and then place the short cross pole on the top. So yeah, we lift it up into place and then we put the cross pole across. Here we go. Feels tight. Might be because I've hooked it on here. So I'm hooking it for a minute. So and this will clip on there. And this. And that. There's the cross pole. And then when you've put that on, you put it so it sits into the clip there like that, see? And it holds it. How's that? Get all the corners pulled as tight as you can then. Like that. And front and back. Get these pegged out as well. They pull nice and tight. There we go. there we go, that's him set up. It's single skin again, so much like the Vic one. Let's have a look around it first. It's got tassels for tying extra guide ropes on. Obviously it's not freestanding, this one, so it's slightly different, and there isn't a door either side. This side's got just the window here, which we've popped open. So much like the Vic one, there's probably just like a little window inside where you can stash things to keep them out of the way. Should we have a look in? Roll the door up, it's got a little tag there. Yeah, there's still room to pull it tighter. Some flopping about here. But that's the beauty of a Naturehike tent, they do go up really easy. Okay, so here's the inside. That isn't too bad for room. So again, the question is it going to be breathable enough against condensation? Got a little hook for a lamp. We've got somewhere to put our belongings, and over this side, yeah, just a little window. It's a bit better access than the Vic one, but yeah, you can shove your bag or your boots or anything out there. Keep one out that side, and then you've got a nice sized vestibule this side. Should we have a look what it's like closed up? Yes, you could easily keep your backpack there. It's probably wide enough for 2 roll mats if you wanted. So yeah, not a bad size at all. You can sit up in it. Let me see if I'm lying down where I come to. Oh, I'm miles away from the top. Miles away there. And that's with my feet practically touching the bottom. But yeah, it's another Naturehike tent. I'd imagine it's a bit like a sail, so you would probably want to put those extra guy ropes on. Like I said, you can pull it tighter. It's moving about in here quite a lot. There's room yet to pull the corners tighter. Ugh. I'm out. So there we go. We'll have a look now and see how easy it is to come down. But yeah, it was relatively easy to put up. I'd done it in sort of 5 minutes, and that was talking to you. So I still think the Cloud Up 2 slightly heavier, but you've got that extra stability, a bit more certain that it's not going to go anywhere because it's on the 4 limbs. Freestanding, really rigid, really like it. But like I say, we can tie on the extra guy ropes, more here at the front. So there's 4 extra ropes you can tie on, which all come in the packaging. So yeah, not a bad tent, but that's it. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already subscribed to Summit or Nothing, then please do. There's lots more tent reviews, gear reviews, wild camping adventures, hiking routes, all sorts. You know where to come. Summit or Nothing. Alright, thanks for watching. Cheers.